Once upon a sunny day, Maya and her family decided to visit the beach. Maya, a curious and adventurous little girl with sparkling eyes, couldn't contain her excitement. Her brother, Tom, who was always up for a challenge, shared her enthusiasm. As soon as they arrived, Maya and Tom dashed towards the golden sands, their feet kicking up tiny puffs of dust. "Let's build the biggest sandcastle ever," Maya suggested, and Tom nodded eagerly. They spent the morning artfully patting wet sand into impressive turrets, ridges, and walls. Their sandcastle grew taller and wider, becoming the envy of every child on the beach. Gulls wheeled above, cawing as if to cheer them on. Afterward, they raced each other to the water's edge, splashing and laughing as the cool waves lapped at their ankles. Their mother kept a watchful eye from her beach chair, her smile as warm as the sun. As the day wore on, the siblings decided to collect seashells. Hand in hand, they combed the shoreline, their eyes scanning for hidden treasures. It was Maya who spotted it first, a beautiful, swirling shell glistening in the sunlight. It was unlike any she'd ever seen, with iridescent blues and purples. "Mom will love this," Maya exclaimed, cradling the delicate shell in her palm. She ran back to her mother, her tiny feet leaving energetic prints in the sand. "Look what I found, Mommy," she said, presenting the shell with a broad smile. Her mother took the shell, her eyes lighting up with joy. "Thank you, Maya. This is the best shell ever," she said, pulling her daughter into a warm hug. Maya beamed with pride, feeling a joyous warmth in her heart. The day at the beach flew by with more games, laughter, and adventures, sealing it as one of the most fun days Maya and her family had ever had. As the sun began to set, they packed up their things, with Maya carrying the memory of her special gift close to her heart. They left the beach with sandy feet, full hearts, and a promise to return soon for another magical day.